Jackie, you're from the Fluffy Puppy. Welcome back to another video, but today we are going to do a baking soda volcano. I don't know why, just wanted to. Yeah, so, here it is. Volcano. Like, it's barely, though. Okay, let's do this.
Okay,
I'm falling. Not tamales.
Go. It's going. Wow!
Yeah! It smells bad.
Oh, we need red. We forgot to add in the red.
Yeah.
Can we try that again? This time we need to add in the red.
Fine. Whatever. Okay, I think we need to jump that out and then.
Okay, let's add in red this time.
Okay, we're adding in red this time. That's like blood. Okay.
Whoa.
Please do not fizz yet. You guys must look at the vinegar for a bit. So gotta add some more in. There we
Here it goes.
There we go. Now it's a volcano.
That looks awesome.
Jeez, stop blowing on me.
It's in my eyeball. Ladybug!
Let's add more.
It jumped.
No, it's this. Oh,
No, it is not. It is not done.
We need more cornstarch.
Baking soda.
Yeah!
Yeah, baking soda.
It is not done.
Yeah!
I think I'm recording this sideways.
You
Alright.
Yay!
Yep. Anyway, okay. Sorry if this video comes like on the side. Sorry if I'm upside down right now. Anyway, I think I can fix that. Yay! So whatever, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have hot tamales over here. Leave a like for these hot tamales. It's bloody. Wait, weird. I don't know. Why did I even say bloody? Okay. Say goodbye to this.
You have cornstarch?
Okay.
Do you have water?
Okay. Bugs, you'll like this. Experiment.
Do you have some
Experiment.
You can make
Okay.
cornstarch.
Okay.
You
Okay. So, bye. If this video comes weirdly, not my fault. Yeah, it actually kind of is my fault. Bye.